Cells aren't just building blocks, they're where life happens. Welcome back. I am Georgia from Mentivia, and in this video, we are going to dive deeper in our exploration of the cell theory. We delve into its second fundamental tenet. The cell is the basic unit of structure and function in all organisms. This principle builds upon the first, which established that all living things are made of cells, by adding that these cells are also the sites where all life's essential activities take place. When we say structure, we mean that cells are the fundamental building blocks that give an organism its physical form. Think of them as the bricks in a building. In multicellular organisms, different types of cells are organized hierarchically into tissues, then organs, and finally into organ systems, all contributing to the overall architecture and integrity of the organism. And for function, it means that every vital process necessary for life occurs within cells. This includes everything from converting nutrients into energy, growing, reproducing, and responding to environmental stimuli. Each cell, whether it's part of a complex organism or a single-celled entity, performs specific tasks that are crucial for the survival and well-being of the entire living system. Let's look at some examples. Consider a nerve cell or neuron. Structurally, it has long, slender extensions called axons and dendrites. These unique extensions allow it to transmit electrical and chemical signals rapidly over long distances. Its function is to facilitate communication throughout the nervous system, enabling thought, movement, and sensory perception. Next, we have muscle cells, or myocytes. These cells are elongated and packed with specialized contractile proteins, actin and myosin. These proteins are arranged in a way that allows the cell to shorten or contract. Their primary function is to generate force and movement, whether it's the beating of your heart, the movement of your limbs, or the peristalsis in your digestive tract. Red blood cells, or erythrocytes, are another fascinating example. Their structure is a distinctive biconcave disc, and mature red blood cells lack a nucleus and most other organelles. This unique shape and internal simplicity maximize space for hemoglobin, a protein crucial for their function, transporting oxygen from the lungs to the body's tissues and carrying carbon dioxide back to the lungs. Moving to the plant kingdom, consider a root hair cell. Structurally, it's an epidermal cell of a plant root with a long, thin extension, or hair. This dramatically increases its surface area. The function of this increased surface area is to efficiently absorb water and dissolved mineral nutrients from the soil, which are absolutely essential for the plant's growth and survival. Even in single-celled organisms, the cell is the basic unit of both structure and function. Take yeast, a single-celled fungus. Its entire structure is that one cell, complete with a cell wall, nucleus, and organelles. This single cell performs all the necessary functions for life: metabolism, growth, reproduction, and responding to its environment, demonstrating the completeness of the cell as a functional unit. So, whether we're talking about a human, a tree, or a bacterium, the cell provides the fundamental structural organization. It's the irreducible component that, when organized, builds the entire organism. And critically, all the complex processes that define life, from energy production to reproduction and response, are ultimately carried out at the cellular level. Each cell is a miniature factory, performing its specific tasks to keep the whole organism alive and thriving. This tenet truly underscores the incredible efficiency and versatility of the cell. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to visit mentivia.com, where you'll find a wide range of educational e-learnings, videos, and articles, all completely free. It's your go-to resource for deepening your understanding across science, history, and more. And if you'd like to keep learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more coming your way.